Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today's student learning outcomes are comparison between decision control structures, difference between else if and switch statements, nested if structure. Comparison between decision control structures. If statement. It is used when a single block of a statement is to be executed if the condition is true. If the condition is false, then the block of a statement is skipped and the program execution continues from the statement after if block. If else statement. It is used when one block of a statement is to be executed if the condition is true. If the condition is false, then the block of a statement following if are skipped and the other block of a statement following else is executed. It selects one block of a statement from two options. Else if statement. It selects a block of a statement from multiple options. When it is executed, a block of a statement is selected for execution based on a condition starting from the first condition. If all the conditions are false, then it executes the block of a statement after else if it exists. Otherwise, program execution continue from the statements after if block. Switch statement. It is a multiple selection statement that is similar to else if statement. It is used to select a block of a statement based on the value of a variable or result of an expression. It compares the value of a variable or the result of an expression that is within the parenthesis after the keyword switch, with values specified in each case. If there is a match, the block of statements following that case is executed. If there is no match, the default block of a statement is executed if it exists. Otherwise, the control is transferred to the statement after switch block. Difference between if-else if statement and switch statement. In else if structure, which statement will be executed depend upon the output of the relation expression inside if statement. In switch statement, which statement will be executed is decided by user. Else if statement uses multiple decision statement for multiple choices. Switch statement uses single expression for multiple choices. Else if statement tests for equality as well as for logical expression. Switch statement tests only for equality. Else if statement evaluates integer, character or logical type expression. Switch statement evaluates only character or integer value. Either if statement will be executed or else statement is executed. Switch statement execute one case after another till a break statement is appear or the end of switch statement is reached. If the condition inside if statement is false, then by default the else statement is executed. If the condition inside switch statement doesn't match with any of case, for that instance the default statement is executed. Now nested if statement. An if statement inside another if statement is known as nested if statement. The C++ language allows to nested if else or else if inside another if else or else if statement. You can see the sample program on the screen. The following program demonstrates the use of nested if else statement inside another if else statement. That is our header file. That is our main function. So here integer marks. So enter marks from the user end using scene statement. Now this is the nested if structure. If marks greater than equal to 0 and marks less than equal to 100. If marks between 0 and 100, then it will check another condition that is called inner if else statement. If marks greater than equal to 33, then you are pass, otherwise you are fail. Else, this else statement is used for outer if else statement. If marks not in between 0 and 100, then it will print invalid data. Okay dear student, that is the end of today's lecture. Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself. You can see few questions on the screen which are based on today's lecture. Kindly solve them. Thank you.